is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. Well, it's December 31st, New Year's Eve. Boy, what a year it's been. And sorry I haven't posted in the last month or two. Been busy, a lot of things happening. It's going to change this year. There's going to be a big change. But I'm not going to mention anything right now. And had a lot of things come up, a lot of things happening. Like I said, I was supposed to paint my tailgate, and I had to wait for like a month, for 4 weeks, to get my clear that I ordered. So I didn't paint it. But then by the time the clear got here, well, it weather changed, got too cold and all that and everything. Rain every other day. It's been raining like crazy. Finally got a break in the weather. Got my heater inside my little paint booth, heating it up. And we're going to go ahead and quickly spray this real quick because I got to get it done. I got to get it out of there. Got to take that paint booth apart and everything. And yeah, I mean, I got to paint that tailgate and those door panels and get those put on. Anyhow, hope you all had a memorable Christmas, and I hope you all have a memorable New Year's tonight. So, I don't know, I was thinking maybe I'll do a year in review video, just for the ones who haven't been who have never followed me or brand new to my channel and stuff. So, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get all set up and everything and start mixing some paint. All right. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is change the glasses. Got my Wiley X glasses here. Clean them up a little bit. Okay, so hopefully I've got everything ready. Got my paint. Okay, that's Performance Red from Summit. Okay, got my 4:1 medium activator. Hey Corey,
Good morning.
how's it going?
Happy last day.
Yeah. Okay. Then I got my clear. Okay. That's from American Icon. It's also a 4:1 activator. Okay. And what we're doing is we're going to mix equal amount of paint, equal amount of clear, and then mix them together. Okay. And spray it all at once. I'm using my Craft, okay, Drizzle 2. So it's been my go-to gun. Works every time for me. Not complaining. We're using the disposable cups. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why? What a dipshit. All right. Slow down, Fernando. Well, tailgate and the door panels are finally painted. The drizzle came through again. All right. But the day was not without its cons. Yep. I thought I was ready. I had it all prepared, had all my stuff set out. I was all ready to go. And first of all, I spilt some paint. So there went that. Then I forgot that I went ahead and did my first coat of paint. Realized, shoot, I didn't have the exhaust fan on. So I went ahead and plugged it in. Nothing. It's like, doggone it. So I had to unplug it, check it out. Apparently, somehow or another, the cord to my fan, it must have got brittle or something, and it just split in half. It just broke, literally. I mean, it was like, I don't know, man. It was weird. So I attempted, in between spray outs, I attempted to splice it back together. Finally, on the third coat, I had my fan going and everything went well. Everything was spraying out good. And then one of my door panels fell off and hit the ground face down where that's painted. Yeah. So I went ahead and hung it back up and just, really actually wasn't too bad. I just said, hell with it. I sprayed over top of it. I actually sprayed 5 coats of paint on everything. And I'm not worried about it because later on in the future, once I tell you guys soon enough what's going on, I'll just take it back off, resand it, fix it all up again, and I'm just doing this right now just to get it done, get it out of the way. It's been sitting in the driveway paint booth for 2 months now, and it's ridiculous. So because of the weather and the rain and you name it, it's happening. This was not my cup of tea today. Yeah. All the obstacles that, I had to go through today just to get this painted. But hey, we did it. Now I just got to wait for a couple, probably wait like 2 days for the paint to cure. And then I can paint the lettering white. Because I still got to paint the lettering white. And then I still got to do the inside of the tailgate is going to be bed liner. And that one I can just brush it on. No biggie. Hell, I might even just brush on the paint, the white lettering. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But anyhow, it's the majority of it's done. The door panels are done. Once that cures, I can just throw those back on just to get them out of the way. And then, I don't know, then we'll see what the future holds. So let me show you what we got done. All right, here's what we got going on. All right, there's the tailgate. I got the tape off of the lettering, so it's just primered, but it looks good. All right, that's 5 coats, 4 to 5 coats of paint. That thing is thick, but it works. You know, it works for me. And like I said, the under part, that's going to be bed liner. There's the door panels. All right, let's see if I can squeeze over here without hitting the tailgate. Oh yeah, here's where I had to fix my the cord on my fan. Okay, again, a little bit more of the tailgate. Not a whole lot of dirt, maybe just a little bit right there. No biggie, I ain't gonna worry about it. Looks good. But here's the panel that fell. All right. Got a little bit of dirt right there from it when it fell. The rest of it doesn't look too bad. Right here, when it fell, I had 2 coats of paint on it and it fell. Okay, here's the problem right here. It chipped. For some reason, I don't know how or what, but it chipped the primer, looks like, and I don't know. Like I said, I'm not going to mess with it. I'll just deal with it when I, get to it. I just wanted to get it painted and out of the way. I don't have time for that right now. Here's the other panel. This one's looking good enough to put on there, no problem. Looks good. A little bit of drippage right here. Not going to worry about it. But anyways, it's presentable. They're in there. Like I said, tailgate's looking good. Now I just got to, once it cures and dries up enough, I got to tape off the red and paint the lettering white, and it'll be done. And then I can flip it over and do the bed liner on the other side, the undercoating type stuff. So that's what we got going on. So let's get back over here. All right, so there you got it. There you have it. You got the tailgate and the door panels. And like I said, I just gotta let it cure. Once it's nice and dry, I can go ahead and tape it off again and paint the lettering white, and then I can mount it. Do the bed liner on the back side of it. So what's been going on is the old farts garage is moving. Yep, that's what's in the future for 2025. We're moving to a new location. So this is the last I'm going to do on the truck right now. From here until we get to the new destination, I'm just going to be packing up all my stuff, boxing everything. All this is going to get boxed up. All my paint gear, my tools, the whole garage. And I'm sure you guys that have done that understand what I'm going to have to go through. I just wanted to get that tailgate and those panels done so I can throw them on there. I'll worry about that once we get to the next destination. But anyways, that's the latest news for the Old Farts Garage. It's all about packing and heading for a new destination. And from now till then, there's not going to be any videos or anything because, like I said, we're going to be busy getting all this taken care of. But I thought I'd go ahead and get this done. And before I sign off, want to wish everybody a happy new year. And I hope that your guys' year is a good one. And I hope you continue to follow me and the channel, subscribe and like. I appreciate all the subscribers I've gotten this year. I'll see if I can do a year in review, maybe. So just give you guys an idea for the ones who are just starting to chime in, give you an idea of what we've done to the truck. I say we, but me, what I've done to the truck. But anyhow, this is it for now. And until next time, y'all have a great New Year's Eve. And we'll talk to y'all later. God bless.